Hello guys. So today I'm going to show how you can create another user in your computer or on your Windows computer. So as you can see, I have two user over here. One is Pritam, one is Pinto, another is Pritam. So suppose you have multiple user in your office, or suppose you wanted to share your computer in your home with your brother, sister, or anyone in your family member, but you don't want them to see your files or make changes in your files. Okay, so it's better to create a new user for them. So I'm going to show you the exact process how you can do that easily. So for that we have to go setting. So we are going to setting, then we have to click on the accounts. As you can see, it's giving me the account information. Now we have to click on the other user and then add someone else on this PC. If I click on that, as you can see, it's giving me local user and group. Okay, the two things, this folder contain all the user on the system, this folder contain all the groups in the system which the user going to be belong. So I'm going to click in the user, and if I right click over here and if I click on the new user, as you can see, the new user creation page is now open. So what we have to do is we have to put a name over here. So let's suppose I'm creating a user with the name of Sam. Okay, you can put the full name. So okay, Sam Thompson. You can put a description over here if you like, over here, and the password. The password you are going to put over here, it will be the password to log in this user profile. So I'm going to put a simple password. Then we have to uncheck this. It's saying that user must change the password at next login. What these things will gonna do is, if you click this box and create this user, when this user is going to log in with this password, the system will ask them that you must change your password so they can set their own password. I don't want that, so let me just uncheck that. I want this, like this option will allow the user not to change password. Means if you check this one, the user will be unable to change their password, and this means the password will never expire. This is not a good idea. You should change your password frequently, like every 90 days. So yeah, I'm going to uncheck this, and this means account is disabled. If you don't want this user to use this account for some time, you can disable this account. Then we are going to create and close. As you can see, the new user is now created. So if I just right click on that and click on the properties, you can see the basic details over here and the member. As we can see, this user is currently under of users group, which is under over here. This particular group has minimal access, so if any user is under this group, they will have only basic permission. They can't do any administration change. And you can assign any path, like shared drive or login path or home folder, anything like that. This thing basically work under domain, so you can also do it in local if you like. So suppose you wanted to give this user administration permission. So what you have to do? So for that we just have to add, then we going to click over here, advanced, then find now. Now we are going to select the administration group and then OK. Then OK. What I did is I just added the administration group to this user, means I moved this user under the administration group. So this user now have all the administration permission. Then you can just apply and OK. Okay, now this user is created. So this is a way. There is another way. If you don't want to go through this setting, what I normally do is I just right click on the start menu, then go to the computer management. You can find the same option over here, user and group, then users and SAM. Yeah, but make sure this particular option will be available only in Pro version. So if you don't have Pro version or you have any another version like Home or Ultimate, then you can use this one. Thank you for the video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.